வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் V.Palanichamy. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். அதில் இப்போ வரைக்கும் நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கிறதுலாம் சயின்ஸ் பார்த்துருக்கோம், ஹிஸ்ட்ரி பார்த்துருக்கோம், இப்போ ஜியாகிரஃபி பார்த்துருக்கோம். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறதுனா இந்தியன் பாலிட்டி, அதாவது இந்திய அரசியலமைப்பு சம்மந்தமான கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இது குரூப் 1ல் கேட்கப்பட்ட 2021 கேட்கப்பட்ட மொத்தம் 23 கேள்விகள் இருக்குது. சரிங்களா? சரி, பார்க்கலாம், கொஸ்டின்ஸ் போகலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், விச் ஆர்டிகல் ஆஃப் தி கான்ஸ்டியூஷன் மென்ஷன்ஸ் the abolition of untouchability? A. Article 16(4), B. Article 17, C. Article 18, D. Article 19. The correct answer is B. Article 17. Second question, which ideology threatens Indian unity? A. Communalism, B. Communism, C. Democracy, D. Socialism. The correct answer is A. Communalism. Third question, the chairperson of National Disaster Management Authority is A. Prime Minister, B. Home Minister, C. The President, D. The Defense Minister. The correct answer is A. Prime Minister. Fourth question, the most important scheduled tribes of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand is A. Dodas, B. Nagas, C. Santals, D. Tharus. The correct answer is Tharus. Fifth question, which of the following statements regarding political parties in India is or correct? A. Parties in India function within the institutional framework of a federal structure and are bound by the country's electoral laws and rules. B. Strong institutional parties are vital for healthy democracies. The choices are A only correct, B only correct, C, A and B are correct, D, A and B are wrong. The correct answer is C, A and B are correct. Sixth question, regarding word fraternity in the preamble of the Indian Constitution, choose the correct statement. A. It leaves no room for regionalism. B. It leaves room for communalism. C. It leaves no room for casteism. The choices are A and C, B only, C, A and B, D, C only. The answer is A and C only. Seventh question, which are the correct statements related to T-bill, treasury bill? A. They are issued by RBI. B. They are issued by the Government of India. C. Treasury bills pay no interest. D. These are long-term debt instruments. The choices are A and C only, B and C only, C, B, C, D, B and D. The correct answer is B and C only. Eighth question, consider the following statements. 1. The term of office of Attorney General of India is not fixed by the Constitution. 2. The remuneration of the Attorney General of India is not fixed by the Constitution. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 and 2. The correct answer is both 1 and 2, C. Ninth question, which schedule of the Indian Constitution specifies the powers, authority and responsibility of Panchayat? A. 7th schedule, B. 6th schedule, C. 10th schedule, D. 11th schedule. The answer is D. 11th schedule. 10th question, consider the following statements. 1. Governor is appointed by the President. 2. He is the nominee of the central government. 3. The draft constitution provided for the indirect election of the governor. 4. The Constitutional Assembly opted for the indirect appointment of the governor. Choose the correct answers above. A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. 1 and 4 are correct. C. 1 and 4 are correct. D. 3 only correct. The correct answer is C. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. 11th question, which of the following institutions has the final power of deciding on the composition of the upper house of the state legislature? A. Parliament, B. State legislature, C. Lower house of the state legislature, D. None of the above. The answer is A. Parliament. 12th question, the Indian President has a veto power over 1. Ordinary bill, 2. Money Bill. 3. Constitutional Amendment Bill. 4. State Legislation Bill. Which statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 4 only. B. 4 and 3 only. C. 1, 3, 4 only. D. 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is A. 1 and 4 only. 13th question. 1. Money bills can be introduced in the parliament without president's approval. 2. The finance commission is appointed by the president. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. None of the above. The correct answer is B. 2 only. That's B. 14th question. The Council of Ministers of the Parliament hold office during the pleasure of A. President. B. Prime Minister. C. Parliament. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Prime Minister. 15th question. Which of the following articles broadly govern the relationship between the Prime Minister and the President? A. Article 74, 75 and 78. B. Articles 51, 74, 75. C. Article 85, 74, 75. D. Article 74, 75, 79. The correct answer is A. Articles 74, 75 and 78. 16th question. Directive principles of state policy are prescribed as life-giving provisions of the Constitution by A. L.M. Singhvi, B. Ambedkar, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Krishnan. The correct answer is A. L.M. Singhvi. 17th question. Consider the following statements on fundamental duties. 1. Parliament cannot enforce it by legislation. 2. It is applicable only to Indian citizens. 3. All fundamental duties are either moral or civil duties. 4. Paying taxes is the fundamental duty. Which of the above statements are true? A. 2, 3, 1 are correct. B. 1, 2, 3, 4 all correct. C. 2 and 3 are correct. D. 1, 3, 4 are correct. The correct answer is C. 2, 1, 3 are correct. 18th question. Which of the following fundamental rights was converted as a legal right? A. Right to equality. B. Right to freedom. C. Right to religion. D. Right to property. The correct answer is D. Right to property. 19th question. Identify the fundamental duty that was added in 2002 by the 86th Amendment. A. Respect national flag. B. Defend our country. C. Develop scientific timber. D. To provide opportunities for education to children between the age of 6 to 14. The correct answer is D. To provide opportunities for education to children below the age of 6 to 14. 20th question. Consider the following statements. 1. The Constitution of India establishes a parliamentary form of government. 2. Prime Minister is head of the government. 3. President is head of the government. 4. Real executive power rests with the President of India. Choose the correct answer from the following. A. 1 and 2 true. B. 3 only true. C. 3 and 4 only correct. D. 4 only correct. The correct answer is A. 1 and 2 only true. 21st question. By what name or names is our country mentioned in the Constitution? A. Indian and Hindustan. B. India and Bharat. C. Bharat. D. India, Bharat, Hindustan. The correct answer is B. India and Bharat. 22nd question. Match the following. Article 39B. Protection of ecology, environment and pollution. B. Article 48A. Equal pay, equal work. Article 39D. Free legal aid to the poor. The Article 39A. Abolished hereditary property. The correct answer is B. 4, 1, 2, 3. So that is Article 39B. That is 4. Abolished hereditary property. Article 48A. That is 1. Protection of ecology, environment from pollution. C. Article 39D. So that is equal pay for equal work. D. Article 39A. that is free legal aid to the poor. 23rd question, match the following. Preambulas and said. A. Political horoscope. Keynote to the Constitution. Soul of the Constitution. Paradise of the lawyers. The correct answer is C. That is 4521. That is Political horoscope. That was by K. Munshi. Keynote to the Constitution. That was by Ernest Barker. Soul of the Constitution. It was by Thakur Burgog. D. Paradise of Lawyers. Sir Ivor Jennings. So that's all. So we'll see with some other question in the same probably 2019 of political science, that is India அரசியலமைப்பு in the next episode. So thank you very much.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.